Hello, how you doing? We're going to make some onion soup today. There's very few ingredients. I mean very few. It does take a while because it's all about cooking those onions really slowly. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so white onion, red onion, brown onion or yellow onion has two names. I'm going to be using this one today. I've got 9 of these. We're going to slice them up. Much more mild. A lot of people make this soup with this. Much stronger. You can make it with that, but it is very oniony. Do you know what I mean? So that's strong, that's mild, that's kind of in the middle. We're going there. Okay, so there's really nothing to this soup but time. It takes a long time to do. In there I've got 125 grams of butter. That's half a packet of a regular sized butter, and about 2 or 3 tablespoons of oil. You can use any oil. The oil's in there to kind of prevent the butter from burning. We're going to get that on a very low heat and we're going to melt this first. Okay, so we've melted that down. Like I say, nice and slow. We're going to add salt and pepper. I'm using this pink Himalayan stuff at the moment, ground black pepper. If you want, you could get some thyme in here, rosemary, or flavor it in some way, either dried or fresh. We've got a tablespoon of garlic chopped. And then, here's our onions. And it's a lot of onions. Like I say, it's like, well, you can see. It's all onions sliced like that, and in it goes. God, I only managed to drop a couple of them. I thought I was going to drop much more than that. So listen, what we're going to do is we're going to keep it on this low heat. It doesn't have to be simmer, it can be just above a simmer. And this is where the work happens. We're going to cook this and stir in quite a lot for about 30 minutes minimum, I would say. 45 minutes. You just need to just keep this going now. Keep it going, keep it going. It's all about the stirring and the time. I mean, we've kind of basically done it really. We just got to get these cooked beautifully. You can't rush it. Now this is the point where people make a big mistake. They think their onions are done at this point. We're about halfway through now. You've got to keep going. So I've been going about 45 minutes now. You can see that the onions have coloured. Now you can go more if you want. You can go even more. You can go for another 10, 15, 20 minutes if you like. But I'm happy there. Very simply, we're going to add some stock to this. I'm using chicken stock today. You could use vegetable stock, beef stock. I'm using chicken. There's 1 litre. And let me just pour this out. Here's about another litre, so a couple of litres of stock in there. You can just use water if you want. Now what we're going to do is we're going to increase the heat because we want a really low heat at the moment. We're going to increase that to just below medium, and we're going to let it go for about another 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, off goes the heat. Absolutely beautiful. You've done it. It's all about cooking those onions, slowly. Check the salt and pepper level. It's going to be great for me. Job done. Really fabulous, really easy. Just takes a little time. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like, you'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.